friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the scenic neighborhood of Spruce Cliff in Calgary, Alberta. Nestled in the southwest part of the city, Spruce Cliff is a vibrant community that offers a perfect blend of urban living and natural beauty. The neighborhood is aptly named after the towering spruce trees that once dominated the area, providing a lush green canopy over the landscape. This area was originally settled in the early 20th century and has since grown into a diverse and welcoming community. Spruce Cliff is situated along the western edge of the Bow River Valley, offering stunning views and easy access to nature. This proximity to nature makes Spruce Cliff an ideal location for those who enjoy outdoor activities and a peaceful environment.
Thank you very much.
One of the neighborhood's most notable landmarks is the Shaganappi Point Golf Course, which offers stunning views of the city skyline and the Bow River. Calgary itself is a large city in the province of Alberta, sitting at the point where the prairies meet the foothills of the Rocky Mountains. It became a city in 1894 and grew quickly because of the railway, ranching, and the oil industry. Today, Calgary is one of Canada's major cities, known for its energy sector, clean streets, and friendly people. The city is also famous for the Calgary Stampede, a huge rodeo and festival held every summer. With a mix of modern downtown life and access to beautiful natural areas, Calgary offers the best of both worlds. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Calgary, Alberta.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching.